Is there something I can do for you?
Ah, I see the rumours about Skoda's old forge being back in business were true.
Aye. Only it's my forge now. I'm Henry.
Ah, Master Henry. Excellent. Pleased to meet you. They call me Janacek. I live over in Bach.
And what can I do for you, Janacek?
Nothing too complicated. All I need is an ordinary hunting sword. But, you know, reliable like. No piece of junk.
All right. I'll gladly make you a hunting sword. And it won't be a piece of junk, I guarantee it.
Glad to hear it. A good hunting sword like that really comes in handy around the house. When you're done, please bring it over. I'd stop by myself, but you know how it is. Loads of work and not enough hours in the day.
Aye, I get it.
Like I said, I live in Bach. In the cottages right below St. Barbara's. I'm sure you'll find it. Take care.
This one's gonna need some more work.
That's more like it.
Henry, do you have a moment for me?
What's it about?
Yesterday I promised the priest from St. James I'd stop by with some eggs, but I haven't been yet. Would you carry them to him, please? I've still got a heap of work around the smithy, and I don't want to keep him waiting.
Sure. I'll stop by and see him.
Thank you so much. Here you go, and be careful with them.
Jesus Christ be praised.
Sanctuary!
Praise be Jesus Christ.
Forever and ever, son. What brings you here?
I brought you eggs from Magdalena at the smithy.
Thank you, son. You must be our new blacksmith.
I'm Henry.
God bless you for taking on the renewal of that wretched place. How are you doing, anyway? Magdalena has told me a bit, but I'd like to hear more from you, too.
I can't complain. If it keeps going like this, the smithy will have been worth all the work.
I'm glad to hear that. And have you thought yet about making a contribution for a divine cause?
What do you mean?
As you see, I'm trying to raise coin for the completion of our sanctuary, and without the help of worthy townsfolk like you, I can't manage.
All right. And how much do you need?
As it's written in the letter to the Corinthians, every man according as he purposeth in his heart, so let him give, not grudgingly or of necessity, for God loveth a cheerful giver. And not only God loveth a giver. If you help with alms now and then where it's needed, people will talk about it. It'll surely come back to your smithy and guild, whether in new commissions or in God's mercy. You can try it right away. Every stone and every beam is a symbol of our faith. Help us build it. Praise to you, Blacksmith. May the Lord repay your generosity 1,000-fold. The generosity you show will return to you.
Maidens and women of virtue, gather round and listen. I have to warn you about the breakers.
evening, my friend. What do you need?
I made that hunting sword for you.
Oh, that's great news, Master. Let me see how it turned out. My word, thank you. This looks like it'll last a while, not like the last one. The fool I was. I bought it from some odd bloke below the city walls. Only he didn't look like he was from the Blacksmith's Guild. And no wonder, judging by how things turned out. I wanted to teach my lad to carve a whistle, and crack! The blade broke in two.
Well, you should really only buy products from the guild. It guarantees quality. That's why it exists.
You're right, Master. I'll remember that from now on. And thanks again for the hunting sword. God be with you, and have a pleasant evening.
Good day.
I'm a master of the Kuttenberg Blacksmith Guild. Come and play with me for its greater glory.
By all means, Blacksmith. With pleasure. What game would you like to play?
Emperors, and nothing else.
Let's play.
Heute werde ich Glück haben. I can feel it in my bones. Mein Gott, your turn.
Ach, du lieber Gott.
These ones here. Diese. Oh, Scheiße! Schön. Diese. Was ist los? Oh, it's all yours.
Bin gleich bei dir.
If I was you, I'd take it. Schön. Hier. Oh, Scheiße. That's frustrating, huh? Geduld ist ein bitteres Kraut. Diese. These ones here. Nein, gar nichts. I'm done.
Bitteschön.
Hier. Diese.
Jug of wine. Lord be with you.
Hey, innkeeper, that beer!
Hey, where's that beer?
Hey, ich mach für heute. Scheiße, ist das kalt.
Innkeeper, a beer.
These ones here.
Well, just one more.
Hier.
Wie geht's?
Schön.
Innkeeper, what's taking so long?
Was willst du essen? I've got smoked pike with garlic.
These ones here.
Grüß Gott. Heute haben
One
wir
beer.
Bier, das brennt wie Milch.
Schön.
Christ, it's bloody late.
Mein Gott. Your turn.
What's the hold-up, innkeeper? This is the life.
Hier. Diese. These ones here.
Ale! Greetings to you. Well, come to your senses yet?
Schön.
Oh, fuck. I'm telling you.
Was ist los? Oh, it's all yours.
Hallo, Schenkwirt. Ich habe Hunger.
It's a good thing you don't throw like that all the time.
That city tournament. What an occasion, eh? Will you go?
Maybe next time I'll even fight.
Oh my God! 9!
I've learned quite a bit already.
That's good. The town needs strong, brave men who can take up arms and not just the tools of their trade. These days, we need to rely on ourselves. The lords won't protect us.
That sort of talk is dangerous. The tournament's supposed to be a celebration of the city. And all that fencing is just a bit of fun, that's all.
Men's opinions. I'll just keep quiet.
I'll have a beer.
Have you lost your mind? You're going to lose everything.
Nice out today. Hope it lasts.
I'd like something to eat.
That city tournament. What an occasion.
Scheiße, I knew I should have gone home.
I reckon I'll have a look first, and maybe next time I'll even fight. I've been taking lessons at the Fechthalle, and I've learned quite a bit already.
That's good. The town needs strong, brave men who can take up arms and not just the tools of their trade. These days, we need to rely on ourselves. The lords won't protect us.
That sort of talk is dangerous. The tournament's supposed to be a celebration of the city,
Here.
and all that fencing is just a bit of fun. That's all.
Men's opinions. I'll just keep quiet.
Diese. Schön. Oh mein Gott, 9!
I'll drink to that. Bottoms up!
Mein Gott, warum?
That was a good game. Thanks.
And was it good because you won? Otherwise, it wouldn't have been a good game?
Well, either way, the only difference is I had a bit more luck.
Good luck, bad luck. Luck can even land on an ox. But when you play dice, you sometimes need a bit of thought, too. When to take a risk and when to squeeze that bird in hand nice and tight.
That really applies in life too. Someone can die at a blessed age, having everything they ever wanted, without ever really caring or worrying about anything.
True, true. You mean priests, right?
Well, I actually meant the lords. With priests, it's different. I know one well, and on the contrary, he was always worrying or fretting over something. About what to drink, or who to bed, and whether someone might rat him out.
Ha ha! And what happened to him?
No, he got ratted out so many times, the diocese couldn't overlook it anymore and kicked him out. So now instead of his rectory and church, he's just got his boots and a pilgrim's staff again.
That sounds like a proper dose of bad luck.
And that's just it. It depends who you ask. That old bastard still knows how to handle a sword. And when he was no longer tied down by anything, they sent him to help us. He arrived just when he was needed and saved our lives. When you look at it as a whole, what started in a pile of shit ended up turning out well for us. And for him, he became a hero. Sometimes it's enough if just one bloke has dumb luck. And what seemed like misfortune can end up as unbelievable fortune.
Amen.
Is dangerous. The tournament's supposed to be a celebration of the city. And all that
Excuse me.
It's just a bit of fun.
Men's opinions. I'll just keep quiet.
God bless you.